Let's roll for Spam Musubi.
4. Bacon. Bacon is my favorite breakfast meat, so I'm pretty excited for this one.
Nice little hiss.
This one was a bit tricky to get out. There was a lot of juice that came out.
First with the smell test, it actually smells like ham.
As for the juices,
It tastes like hot ham water.
It's hot ham water.
let's get it sliced up. It looks just like regular Spam.
Spam is a fully cooked product, so let's have a taste. But this just tastes like ham. Let's get it fried up.
In the pan, we're going to go ahead and fry it up till it's nice and golden brown. Beautiful. Let's roll for our sweetener.
Still sizzling.
1. Honey. We'll start by deglazing our pan with some mirin, Japanese cooking wine, and then we'll add our shoyu and about equal parts honey. We'll cook this down until it becomes thick and it covers your spatula. Throw our Spam back in. It's like a meat candy. For our rice, 3. Jasmine.
This is really popular in Thai cuisine. It's a non-sticky rice, so it might not form into a musubi well. Nice little hiss. Let's fluff up the rice. Very fragrant.
On our half piece of nori, we'll put the rice on there and tamp it down. Let's see if it holds.
Hey, that actually worked.
For our furikake, 4. Flavor of the month.
This is chili oil furikake from Kyoto. It's like a spicy chili crisp product. You got sesame seeds, looks like grunions. You got garlic and everything. Let's give it a little taste. Wow, that's like a flavor bomb right there.
Finally, for wild magic, 1. Americanize it.
Everything bagel.
This is your typical seasoning on a bagel. It has sesame seeds, poppy seeds, garlic. Should be pretty good here. Now that we have everything, let's assemble, put our Spam in. We'll give it one final temp and then fold it up.
Nori is still crisp. Okay, wow. I have to say that's really good. This is the first, at least on video, Spam Musubi made with jasmine rice. The rice itself is very floral. It's got a nice chew. It does fall apart, which is my main concern. The sesame notes from the everything bagel and from the chili oil furikake gives it a really rich and nutty flavor. After it's cooked, it does taste a little bit more like bacon. It's very sticky. It gives it almost like a toffee-like texture. There's a heavy smoky flavor coming from, I think, the Spam and also from the chili oil furikake. I like it. Let's call this Breakfast of Champions because it has bacon, rice, and nori. I think it's a very classic Asian breakfast. If you want to make Spam Musubi and you can't find furikake anywhere, everything bagel actually works. It has the salty notes, it has the garlic notes. It's missing the seaweed flavors, but aside from that, I think it's a decent substitute. Let's save this last bite for camera woman. 7.7. Thanks for watching.